will learn the voice change of imperative sentence. First, you will have to learn what imperative sentence is. The sentence which expresses order, request, or comment, or advice is called imperative sentence. And in respect of changing the voice change of imperative sentence, when the verb expresses order or request or comment or advice, you will have to frame the passive structure in this way. First, you will have to use let at the beginning of the sentence of the passive voice. Then you will have to use the object. Then be verb will be used. Then past participle form of the verb of the active sentence will be used. Past participle form. See here, let will be used at the beginning of the sentence. Then the object of the active sentence will be used, and then be verb will be used, and past participle form, that is VT form. VT form will be used, and in this way you will frame the passive structure. Suppose the example may be given in this way: do this work. Here in this sentence, do is used here as the main verb. This work is used as the object. This is the main verb. And here the subject you is understood. And at the time of converting the sentence in the passive voice, here you will have to use let first at the beginning of the sentence. Here let will be used according to the passive structure of imperative sentence. Then you will have to use the object. Here this work is used as the object, and here object this work. Then be verb will be used. Here only be will be used. Then the past participle form of the main verb of the active sentence will be used. Do is the main verb in the active sentence, so you will have to turn it into past participle form. Do, did, done. Let this work be done. Let this work be done. This is the passive sentence in the imperative sentence. This is active sentence and this is passive. In another example, suppose call your brother. Here your brother is used here as the object and call is the verb. So to convert it into passive voice, you will have to use let, then the object your brother, be called. In another example also, summon the fire brigade. Here the fire brigade is the object. So at the time of converting the passive active sentence into passive voice, you will have to use let at the beginning. Let, then the object, the fire brigade, then the verb will be used, then the past participle form of the verb summon will be summoned. SUMMONED, summoned. In this way, you will have to convert the active sentence into passive sentence of imperative sentence. Another way of framing the imperative sentence is subject plus should be plus VT form or past participle form of the verb. Here, suppose subject plus should be plus VT form. Suppose obey your parents. Here your parents is the object. At the time of converting the sentence into passive formation, you will have to use your parents as the subject. Your parents. Next, you will have to use the structure should be. Then the VT form will be used, obeyed. In this way, you will have to use the passive formation. Suppose listen to your teachers. Listen to your teachers. Here, your teachers is used here as the object. So, at the time of converting the sentence into passive structure, your teachers should be, here listen is the verb, listen to, L-I-S-T-E-N-E-D, listened to. This will be the passive formation of the imperative sentence. Sometimes you will have to, or you may use get at the beginning of the passive voice. In this example, suppose prepare for the worst. Prepare for the worst. Here, this is the active sentence, and at the time of converting the sentence into passive voice, you will have to use get at the beginning of the sentence. Get prepared. P-R-E-P-A-R-E-D. Get prepared for the worst. For the worst. W-O-R-S-T. Worst. You may use be at the beginning of the sentence. Be at the beginning of the sentence in this way. In this way, students, you have seen that imperative sentence can be converted from active voice to passive voice. You have seen the process of converting the voice change of imperative sentence. Now you will see how let is used both in active voice and passive voice. Let used in active voice and passive voice. That is, let may be used both in active voice and passive voice. In the example, suppose let him buy a camera. Here this is the active voice, and at the time of converting the sentence into passive voice, you may change the sentence in this way, starting with let at the beginning. Let. Next, a camera. Be bought by him. Let a camera be bought by him. Let a camera be bought by him. Next, in another example, let us forget the quarrel. Here in this sentence, in the active sentence, you see that let is used at the beginning of the sentence. But at the time of converting the sentence into passive voice, you will have to use the structure in this way. Let, next the object, the quarrel. Next, be verb will be used just before the past participle of the verb forget. Forget, forgot, forgotten. Let the quarrel be forgotten. F-O-R-G-E, forgotten. G-O-T-T-E-N. Let the quarrel be forgotten by us. In both of the examples, you see that let is used in the active voice and passive voice in this way.